Okay, I'm trying to remember who the girls are and who the boys are.
Girls, boys.
So this is a girl,
Mm-hmm.
this is a girl,
Mm-hmm.
boy, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, Mama. You can get back in there with them. I know they want to eat, don't they?
I just love our little man with the bowling ball in his butt.